Kneel on the floor with your feet wide apart and your knees as close as you can. Bring yourself down to sit between your feet. You can use your hands to pull back the calves so that the lower legs fit closely against the outer thighs. Rest the tops of the feet down on the floor, keeping your toes pointing back. Refrain from pointing your toes out to the sides, as this could cause harm to your inner knees. Rest the tops of your hands on your legs and touch your index finger to your thumb. Pause here. Extend your arms up overhead and interlace your fingers. Push your palms away to the ceiling. Release the arms back down and rest the palms on the soles of your feet. Fold your body forward and lower your forehead towards the ground.